ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Vandana Nisad. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I live in Badagaon. Today I am going to tell about mother. Mother is not simply a word. In fact, it is a whole universe in itself. Mother is the symbol of love, care, and sacrifice. She is the most important person in everyone's life as for me. My mother is the most precious gift of God for me. My mother is the person who has the most impact in my life. She is my friend. She gets up early in the morning. She takes care of everyone in our family. She teaches me good habits and moral value. She understands me and helps me to solve my problem. She is my great motivation because she always encourages me. My mother is my pride. I tell all my secrets to her because I always wonder how she manages everything perfectly. My mother is an inspiration to me because of her devotion, hard work, love and faith. Inspire me do more, to learn more and to become more. I love so much my mother and I always pray for the health and long life of my mother. Thanks for listening to me.